I just got back from Apple Store. I bought this screen protector, already installed on my phone by the staff, and this brand new iPhone 14 Pro. Let's open this up. The silver finish is really sleek and elegant. Don't you think it looks amazing? It comes with a charging cable, a USB-C lighting cable. It's faster than the previous generation cables. And the usual documentation? The quick start guide, the sticker. The back is made of glass with a frosted finish, which reduces fingerprints and smudges. The screen is edge to edge, with a small notch at the front, for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. It doesn't have any SIM card slot, which is new from the previous generations. Let's compare this iPhone 14 Pro to the iPhone 11 I own. The 11 has two lenses, wide and ultra-wide. The 14 Pro has three lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, with better low-light performance and a new macro mode. This results in bigger camera bump. The 14 Pro has a flat-edged stainless frame, which gives a premium and modern look, but also leaves fingerprints. The 11 has an aluminum frame, with a rounded edge design. This is how my iPhone 14 Pro looks, with a transparent cover on. The side buttons are closer to the center. I can easily reach them all. iPhone 14 Pro has several upgrades and improvements, and I love the design.